Traders, today is Friday, September 13th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the Euro dollar monthly, I'm definitely still very bullish overall. I still personally think this is either an expanding flat, which would likely bring it all the way up here, or a running flat, which would probably make a lower high than these swings right here, probably bringing us down to into this area right here. Either scenario, I still am not too worried because it should lead to a big uptrend on shorter time frames. Going down to the weekly time frame, I still think this is the end of a wave 2. That makes this a wave 1 of wave 3, a wave 2 of wave 3, and this is likely already a wave 3 of wave 3. And if it really is a wave 3, it definitely should continue to make those higher highs, higher lows on these higher time frames. Taking it down to the daily time frame, I've definitely been looking for three waves down and pulsive up to go long. I mean, it is technically one, two, three waves down. For some reason, I do have a little bit of doubts about it, mostly because it didn't hit a Fibonacci level. I kind of wonder if this is actually a wave A and we're actually in a wave B right now, and this is potentially going to go down one more time for a wave C before it actually really does end up continuing the uptrend. But it may not be that. It may literally just be the continuation of the uptrend, and we may already be in that wave 3 subdivision to the upside. So going down to the 4 hour time frame, like I said, it may just be one, two, three waves down, Fibonacci bounce, break of structure, and now we're back into the uptrend. So I would definitely be looking for longs for sure. But I do suspect that this actually could be a wave A, and this might be either a running flat or an expanding flat for an A, B, C of wave B, potentially going back down to like the 50 or the 61% for a wave C. We definitely got to keep an eye out for this wave B scenario because I do think it is pretty likely. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, we definitely do have a breaker structure to the upside now. We definitely should be looking for longs. Like I was just explaining on the higher time frames, there isn't a chance that this is either a running flat or an expanding flat wave C. So if it goes up and bounces from one of these Fibonacci extension levels, makes it a pulse move down, makes it break a structure, even if it is a lower high, then that could be a running flat. Or if it starts to make its way up to one of these higher Fibonacci levels and gives you the break to the downside, it could end up being an expanding flat wave B. So I would definitely be looking for longs right now, but I would also be looking at these Fibonacci levels just in case it really does break structure to the downside, causing either a running flat or an expanding flat wave B and potentially going back down for a wave C. It just doesn't seem like the dollar pairs are quite ready to continue the uptrend for that wave 3, but wave threes are supposed to be the biggest, strongest waves of a trend, so it definitely could just keep on going up, which is why we should be looking for longs at the end of any pullbacks we see. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.